How to enable automatic app updates on Wi-Fi only on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make sure apps only update when you're connected to Wi-Fi so you don't burn through your mobile data. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Settings from the menu. At this point, tap Network Preferences. From here, tap Auto Update Apps. Following this, a pop-up will appear with three options. Select Over Wi-Fi Only to make sure apps only download updates automatically when your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. After that, tap OK to confirm, and the setting will be saved straight away. From here, any pending updates will now wait until your device connects to Wi-Fi before downloading, so you won't see unexpected data usage from background app updates. That's how you enable automatic app updates on Wi-Fi only on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!